Hi, welcome to Let's Design channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make this exercise, and its name is jig frame. Well, this is the dimension for this part. Then let's make a modeling part now. From this Solidworks interface, let's begin from right plane and make it normal too. For the next step, from this sketch, click to the circle. Start from this point. Click the smart dimension. And I want to change the diameter value to 38mm. Then make a larger one. Click a smart dimension and set a value to 50mm. For the next step, click to this line. Start from this point. Then click to smart dimension and change for this value to 63mm. And 113 for this line. For the next step, and I want to set the apply, and then click to trim entities, and I want to remove the unnecessary line. Then click to this sketch, then apply. Well, for the next step, and I want to click to this line and start from this point, and I want to give the distance, and it is 11mm. Then okay. For the next step, click to this sketch, click from this point, click smart dimension and change for this line to 19mm. For this horizontal line, and it is 38mm. Then click to this line, start from this point, give to 16mm, and for this horizontal, 35 plus 11, and 11 is the thickness from this body. Then click OK. Apply. Okay. For the next step, let's give the thickness from this body or sketch. Click a feathers and then extrude was. Set a value to 11 mm and then click to this sketch. Then click change the direction by click a reverse. Then OK. Click to this toggle and then go to the sketch and click extrude was. Set a value to 98 mm. Change the arrow and then click to the sketch. Then apply. Click to this toggle, go to sketch and make it the same way to this sketch and then OK. Then click to this surface and click a sketch and then click to this sketch and make it a convert entities. Click to this feeder and then go to the extrude was and let's give the thickness from this sketch. Set a value to 11 mm and then change the direction for this arrow by click this icon, then click to this one, then apply. Okay. For the next step, you can click a Ctrl 7 to change the isometric view and then click to this surface, click a sketch and click a line that's connect from this point. Then click the feathers, then extrude was. Set a value to 11, then change the direction for this row by click this one and then apply. Ctrl 7 to change the isometric view. Well, and I want to change the color or this appearance. And I want to select this one, then apply. Well, the part is done. I hope you like this video and support this channel. and then see you next time.